And tonight with one of his 3 teams, Ultra Strong RCR here on the high bank of Daytona. Coming home with an extremely strong finish, Kevin Harvick, the victor here again at Daytona International Speedway. You heard one of the many yells yet to come here tonight as the Coke Zero 400 powered by Coca-Cola belongs to Kevin Harvick and the RCR boys. In 4th place. Denny Hamlin, 284 out, he's 5th. Kyle Busch is 6th, 308 points away. Matt Kenseth is 7th. Jeff Burton is 8th. 9th is Tony Stewart. Greg Biffle is 10th. Dale Earnhardt Jr. moves into the chase scene with finishing 11th here now, 507 points back. And Carl Edwards is in that 12th spot. Now let's take a look at the people who are chasing to get back in the chase. And of course that would start with Mark Martin, who drops to the 13th spot, 39 points out. And a very costly spend and night for Clint Boyer, who drops to 14, 49 points back. Ryan Newman now 15, and he is 80 points out of the chase spot number 12. So that's the way things wind up here. Larry Henry, it was a great race, and obviously a lot of good cars got taken out late, but it was an exciting finish.
It absolutely was. We had 2 great days. Yet last night, the Nationwide race, outstanding debut for the new cars. Dale Earnhardt Jr., the number 3 Wrangler car. And tonight, the racing throughout the evening was exciting. Unfortunately, the big took out about half the field and a lot of contenders. But that's Daytona as we say goodbye to the favorites. Who knows what we're going to see when we come to the Daytona 500 in February.
I can't wait for Speed Weeks 2011. Well, we certainly appreciate you fans sticking it out through the bad weather we had earlier today and the delay of the start of the race, but we saw an exciting finish to it as Kevin Harvick drove that Chevrolet into Gatorade Victory Lane. On behalf of the staff and management of Daytona International Speedway, Jim Trado and Larry Henry, I'm Jim Mueller saying thank you for being with us here, and we certainly hope that you, on the way home, do what the drivers do, and that is buckle up and drive safely.
never ending.